come to this village whenever you want. Sorry. Like this as a drink. Sleepy Lulu. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I've been yawning so much. And I'm not even sleepy, but I'm yawning for some reason. Okay, who else is getting infected by the yawning? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. The Lulu yawning epidemic, oh no. Every time I see you guys talking about yawning, I yawn. What the hell? Straight to bed after stream, I wish. I can't, I have so much to do. It's a cycle now. Lulu infected us and we infected Lulu back, exactly. This... Oh my god! Please, let this be the last yawn.